Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Azure Data Factory pipelines with dynamic parameters, full guide step by step clearly. First, sign in to your Azure portal. Once logged in, navigate to the Azure Data Factory instance you want to work on. From the left menu, click on Author and Monitor to open the Data Factory UI. In the authoring pane, click on the Pipeline section. Now, create a new pipeline by clicking on the plus icon. You will see the pipeline canvas appear. Next, add a new activity to your pipeline by dragging an activity from the toolbox into the canvas. To use dynamic parameters, select the activity you just added. In the Activity Settings, locate the Parameters tab. Here, you can define parameters for the activity. Click on Add Parameter to create a new parameter. Give your parameter a meaningful name. Define the data type for your parameter, such as string, integer, or boolean. Next, go to the expression field to set the dynamic value for the parameter. You can use the ADF expression language to create your dynamic expression. For example, you can use the @pipeline.triggerName expression to get the name of the trigger that started the pipeline. If you need to pass a parameter from a trigger, go to the Triggers section in the pipeline. Select your trigger to define the parameters associated with it. In the Trigger settings, scroll down to the Parameters section. Map the trigger parameters to your pipeline parameters here. Now return to the pipeline canvas and select your next activity. Repeat the process of adding parameters as needed for each activity. When you need to reference the dynamic parameter in your activity, use an expression like @pipeline.parameters.yourParameterName. After setting up your parameters, ensure your activities are linked correctly. You can do this by dragging the output of one activity to the input of another. Once your pipeline is configured, it is time to validate it. Click on the Validate button in the toolbar to check for any errors. If everything is correct, you can publish your changes by clicking the Publish button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.